So the new number recognition and text detection update for Caption Pro has just been released, and I'm going to show you how to set it up in one of your projects. So all you need to do is create a new project, and as you are doing so, you need to make sure that your text recognition toggle is activated. This will make sure that Caption Pro is looking for text and numbers in your images when they get processed. Then what you need to do is set up a number list. Now, a number list is essentially what it sounds like. It's a list of numbers that the software is going to look for in each of your images, and you need to pair them with names so that you know which names are going to be suggested by the software when it sees a certain number. So what we would do is create a new number list, and you need to have it set up so it's the name is the first column, the team that the player is part of the second column. This is optional, and then the third column is the number that we would like the player name to be associated with. Now you can upload these number lists with a CSV, which is probably the easiest way of doing this, so that's highly recommended. Now once you've uploaded your number list, you'll notice that your images will have not only facial recognition activated, and they'll suggest player names through facial recognition as the primary source of identification, but as a fallback, the number will be presented as well. So you'll see when you hover over the number that's been identified by the software, there'll be a drop down underneath the number box, and all you need to do is select the correct person based on the number it's identified. So in this case, let's say Brad Swinger is the right person for the baseball team, and you select that, and his name will get added to the name bar down here, and as such their name will be added to all the people formulas in the relevant locations in your metadata. So if we go over here, we can see that Brad Swinger's name has been added automatically to the caption description field, the keywords field, and the person shown field. Now, the same is the case for text. So if it sees text in the image that is included in the player names, then it will reference that. So it's matching Story here, which is red on the back of Trevor Story's shirt, and it's suggesting Trevor Story as the name. Now, obviously 27 is also doing the same here, so we've got multiple options when it comes to trying to figure out who this player is. Now, if you do still need to use code replacement, then that's not a problem at all. For instance, if Trevor Story wasn't identified by his face, by his name, or by his number in this image, all you'd need to do is use code replacement as you'd currently be used to doing, and by hitting \27, and then you'd see Trevor Story as the code replacement option that you can put directly into the metadata field down here. And that's basically all there is to it. You go through your images, making sure that everyone's been selected correctly, and then you save them, and your metadata will be adjusted as quickly as that.